Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, now we are discussing chapter number 6 in Vistas, and the name of chapter is On the Face of It, written by one of the renowned writer of English literature, and her name is Susan Hill, who was born on 5th February 1942 at UK. She was an English author of fiction and non-fiction works. Dear students, she has written many books or some famous works of Susan Hills are The Woman in Black or The Mist in the Mirror, or she got many awards also, dear students. And she achieved excellence in her life. In this particular lesson on the face of it, dear students, as I have told you in the previous video, that we have to discuss about two physically challenged people, physically disabled people, or one is Mr. Lamb, or who is an old man and matured fellow, or who is very optimistic or having positive opinion regarding his life or regarding the people of society. Or another side, the second character who is also physically disabled, or he is a 14-year boy, or his name is Derry, or how he takes his life negatively, or how he is upset by the comments of the people, or how the comments of the people make him upset. Due to that, he decides to spend an isolate life, and he concludes to live alone. Or he decides not to mix with the people. It is because of the negative reactions of the people. Or today, dear children, we will discuss line by line. Dear students, one day Mr. Lamb is sitting in his garden, or his garden's gates are always open for everybody. And at that day, dear students, Mr. Derry decides to go and enjoy and spend some time in that garden. Or when he reaches to that place, he firstly decides not to go through the main gate, but he decides that he will climb up the wall, he will jump over the wall, and stealthily and secretly he will enter in the garden. Or whenever he enters in the garden, dear students, he is objected by, he is noticed by Mr. Lamb. Or what is the reaction or how Mr. Lamb objects, or what was the reaction of Mr. Dairy after that? The lesson starts from that. Mr. Lamb mined the apples. When Mr. Dairy enters in the garden secretly, stealthily, or in you can say in improper way, not through the main gate. So Mr. Lamb objected and he says that he should beware the wild apples. Or Dairy was surprised, Dairy was completely astonished. He was not expecting that anybody will object him. Or what is his response? Dairy says, what? Who is that or who is there? Mr. Lamb says, Lamb's my name. Mr. Lamb gives his introduction and he says that his name is Mr. Lamb. Or he again wants him that he should mind the apples. Or he also wants him that he may fall, he may slip in that long grasses. And then Dairy says, I thought this was an empty place. Mr. Dairy says that he was expecting that place was empty, nobody was in the garden, so he came in that garden. I didn't know there was anybody here. But Mr. Lamb reacted very positively, or he says, that's all right. I am here. What are you afraid of, boy? He's asking that why he was frightened. There was no reason of fear. Everything is all right. Because Mr. Lamb is a very big-hearted man, a good-hearted fellow. He never reacts negatively. He always welcomes people. And Dairy says that he was thinking the place was completely empty and nobody was there in the garden. Due to that, he came in that garden. He entered in his garden. So Mr. Dairy says, you okay? So it is since I am out here in the garden. Mr. Dairy says his house is empty because he is out of his house and now the house was completely empty. And there was no problem to Mr. Lamb with that Dairy. But Dairy was continuously telling him that he came to that place because that place was empty. Or finally, Dairy tells his decision that I have to go. I have got to go. Being frightened. Then Mr. Lamb says, not on my account, I don't mind who comes into my garden. The gates are always open. Only you climb the garden wall. Or he says, if he is leaving his garden, if he is going back, then it is not because of Mr. Lamb. Because he never objects. He never talks rudely and negatively with anybody. His garden gates are always open for everybody and it is open for Mr. Dairy also. but one thing that is done wrong by Mr. Dairy, he reminds him that he climbed up the wall and he entered in the garden in a wrong way. He raised question on his wrong entry. Who? Mr. Lamb. But his intention was not bad. Or finally, Mr. Dairy says after that, dear students, that though his entry was wrong, he came in his garden after climbing the wall, but he had not come to steal anything. Here is given, Dairy, I had not come to steal anything. No, the young lads steal. Mr. Dairy finally says that young children, they come to steal the wild apples. But you are not so young, you are not a small child. So I know your intention is not to steal, and I am not blaming, he says, Mr. Lamb says to Mr. Dairy that he was not blaming that he entered in his garden to steal the wild apples. Or after that, Mr. Dairy again raised one question. Or he said to him that Mr. Lamb was not knowing that who he was actually. And here he asked, I just wanted to come into the garden, so you don't know who I am. So simply Mr. Lamb replied that he simply knows that he was a boy of 13 or 14 years and nothing. But after that, here the boy, Dairy says, the terrible thing which he had, the one thing, the bird face that he had, that will make upset to Mr. Lamb. But Mr. Lamb reacted very positively on that also. I think your face has been burnt. Finally, oh, don't think that I am afraid. Mr. Lamb says that he was not afraid at all. Or one more thing is, dear children, but Dairy says that it makes afraid to the other people. It makes frightened to the other people, or whenever he will completely see his burned face, then automatically he will be upset and automatically he will be frightened. So Mr. Lamb knew the intention of that boy, that the boy is suffering from that mentality. He is inferiority complex in him. Or finally, dear children, he changed the topic, or he says that he is going to pull down the wild apples with the ladder and stick. Because in the winter season, in month of September, he used to make jelly with that wild apples. Dear students, or he is planning to do that. But Mr. Dairy objected that why he was changing the topic.